Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Apgar score. So who developed Apgar score? Apgar score developed in 1952 by Dr. Virginia. It is a baby's first test performed after a birth within 1 to 5 minutes. So that's why it is known as a quick assessment. Here it is a baby after delivery. Definition: it is an objective method of evaluating the newborn conditions. So generally, it performs at 1 minute and again at 5 and 10 minutes after birth. That means performance of Apgar score in every 5 minutes for up to 20 minutes if the 5-minute score is less than 7. That means the doctor perform Apgar score after a baby birth within 1 minute and the score of the Apgar is less than 7, then again doctor perform this test within 5 minutes. And though the score is less than 7, then doctor continue this test up to 20 minutes. Okay. It includes 5 signs. Mnemonics, that is APGAR from Apgar. A for activity, that means muscle tone. P for pulse rate or heart rate. G for grimace or reflex irritability, that means some expressions. A for appearance or color of the skin, and R for respiratory rate. What is the purpose of this Apgar score testing? So it helps that newborn will be need any medical intervention or not, baby whether healthy or not. So it is helpful. Total score, that is 10, and each 5 points given 0, 1 and 2 markings. That means total 5 signs is present and each signs given of 0, 1 and 2 points. So first signs, that is appearance, we can say it is the color of the skin. So if color of the skin, that is blue or pale, that means white, baby has cyanosis, so you have to give a 0 score. If body is pink and extremities like upper limb and lower limb, which is blue, so you have to give a 0.1. And if body is completely pink with extremity, you have to give 2 points. See in diagram, in first diagram, baby with cyanosis, so completely blue body, so 0 points. Extremity which is blue but body is generally pink, so 1 point. And completely with extremity pink, body also present, so 2 points is given. Second sign, that is pulse, that is heart rate. So if it is absent, 0.0. If it is less than 100 beats per minute, 0.1. And if it is more than 100 beats per minute, 2 point is given. See in diagram, no pulse, 0 point. Less than 100 beats per minute, 1 point. More than 100 beats per minute, 2 points. Third sign, that is grimace, known as reflex irritability. In that, you have to give some type of stimulus or you can just pinch a baby body. So there is no expression. So 0 point. Grimace, that means some facial expression is present, that is 1 point. And if baby is cough, sneeze or excessively cry, you have to give 2 point. See in diagram, in 0 point there is no expression, no response, floppy face of the baby, 0 point. If minimal response when you apply a stimulation or pinching, 1 points. And if sneezing, crying during a stimulation, you have to give 2 point. Fourth sign, that is muscle tone, we can say it is activity. So if it is 0, that means no muscle tone, flaccid body, so 0 point is given. Some flexion of extremities during stimulation, so 1 point is given. And during active movement or baby do a flexion, extension, crying, that all type of movement, you have to give 2 point. That means in first diagram, there is no movement, flaccid body. Flexion of arm and legs, so 1 point. And active motion, 2 points. Fifth sign, that is respiratory rate or we can say respiratory effort. So if there is no breathing present in baby, so 0 score. 1, that means slow breathing, and 2, that means good breathing and crying also. So 2 point is given. See in diagram, 0 point for no breathing, that means absent. Weak or slow or irregular breathing, 1 point. And if it is a vigorous and strong crying present in baby, you have to give 2 points. Now intervention. Total score 10, If it is between 7 to 10, baby is normal. So you have to continue post delivery care. If it is between 4 to 6, so baby required a CPAP, suctioning and stimulating a back of baby with rubbing. Because in some cases after the delivery of baby, baby doesn't cry. So doctor what do for the baby lung expansion and initiate their breathing. So doctor rub on baby back and give some pinching type of stimulation. Okay, so that baby lungs can expand and baby start their breathing. If it is between 0 to 3 score, full resuscitation is necessary. The doctor expect that some baby have very low Apgar score. That includes premature babies, babies born with cesarean delivery, and babies who had complicated deliveries. In this type of babies, the Apgar score is very low. Here it is a premature baby, it is a normal baby. Thanks for watching.